Today we're checking out the HP Omen 35L gaming PC, and given that HyperX is part of HP, you can also get yourself the keyboard, mouse, monitor, microphone and headset all from a one-stop shop. Our resident gaming editor is jumping in later to put this rig to its test and to guess what powers this mid-size gaming PC. But first, let's unbox everything and set it up. So we just finished setting up the OMEN 35L monitor, keyboard, everything. Let's run through it all. Obviously this is the main beast of everything. We've got obviously dual fans intakes on the side, which is really quite cool. On top you've got power button, USB-A, USB-A, USB-C, and obviously your headphone jack for the HyperX Cloud III headphones. On the back, nice sort of satin finish. It's not going to be like fingerprint magnet with the Omen branding on the side. And then your best bit is the interior. So you've got a Radeon graphics card, you've got 4 sticks of Kingston Fury RAM, built-in AIO cooler with some RGB lighting, and then a 140mm fan as exhaust on the back. It's nice. It's even got a little graphics card bracket so that it doesn't sag or anything, and the cable management looks really neat and tidy. Next on to is obviously HyperX mouse, HyperX keyboard. You've got a nice little volume adjuster, obviously RGB lighting as well. And then we have the QuadCast 2 microphone. Really cool. It's obviously got a stabilizer built in. You can easily just tap it on and off for muting yourself. And you've also got a volume adjustment as well here. Last and not but least is obviously this gorgeous 34-inch monitor. It's curved, it's WQHD resolution, 165 Hz with FreeSync and HDR, which looks really nice. So let's go ahead and set it up. So, hey Muff.
Hello.
For you guys watching, we have basically set up the HP 35L PC with the monitor, HyperX peripherals, and today's activity is going to be for our resident gamer hardware tester to check out a couple of pre-selected games and try and figure out, can he guess the CPU, can he guess the GPU? RAM, highly unlikely, storage, highly unlikely. But let's jump on in. Yeah, give it a go.
Yes.
Sweet. So Muff, you've been playing Cyberpunk for a little bit now. Settings are all on high, no DLSS, etc. stuff on. The monitor is actually on 165 Hz.
Yeah.
What are your initial thoughts, impressions?
The game is smooth. The game is smooth. Cyberpunk is very hard to run for most PCs. So at 2K, which is the resolution of the screen,
yeah,
it's running pretty smooth. Looks great. Right now, for this game, I'm going for like higher mid-range. Maybe not super high mid, super high end or high end. I think let's keep the expectations in check and go for like higher mid-range PC.
Okay. Shall we jump into the next game and check it out?
Yeah, let's do it.
What are you playing now?
I'm playing Spider-Man Miles Morales.
Okay.
I'm playing on PC, so I don't know the controls. If the gameplay looks bad, don't blame me.
Fair. And what sort of your initial impressions then?
Yeah, so in terms of setting, this is all on high at 2K resolution, no DLSS or FSR, no frame gen, correct?
One of those things is on, but I can't tell you what it is. But yeah, all on high, 165 Hz.
So butter smooth. Like,
butter smooth.
Really
impressed.
Yeah, this feel, I don't have the frame rate counter, but this feels like
it's really good.
It's really good, like 90 FPS, 100 FPS plus.
Okay.
Because look at that, butter smooth. There's no
nothing.
Nothing.
No VSync. VSync is off.
VSync is off.
G-Sync.
Yeah.
FreeSync off.
Yeah. No screen tearing, nothing. Butter smooth. This is the performance I would be very happy to play Spider-Man on, because the game looks good. Let's try with ray tracing.
Okay.
Yeah.
I have increased settings overall. You notice the difference?
Don't notice the difference in the visuals or the performance. Performance is pretty much performance pretty much the same. Okay. Very smooth. No stutter, no frame rate drops, nothing like that.
This game looks really good in this like evening mode.
Yeah.
Looks really nice.
Let me see if... Alright, so it seems like ray tracing is not on.
Okay.
Yeah. Or ray tracing is on, but it's at low settings. Yeah, it's not on. Yeah, it's not on because it's not reflecting
the image. Okay.
Yeah, so it's not on. But if it's not on, then yeah, pretty much very smooth.
So Muf, you've had a few minutes to check out Fortnite.
Yep.
What are your thoughts?
Yeah. So all of the settings are at max, 2K resolution, no FSR or DLSS, right?
FSR or DLSS is on, yes. Is on. But everything else is max. It's not on the highest setting. Okay. And yeah, resolution is 2K.
All right.
Yeah.
So Fortnite can be demanding. I'm shocked that like Spider-Man Miles Morales ran superbly.
Yeah.
And Cyberpunk ran really well, but Fortnite is kinda not as good.
Okay.
Right? But this is a pretty decent performance, but for competitive play, I guess you should lower your settings.
Yeah, you can adjust things if you want to increase the FPS, but it still looks really nice.
Yeah, the game is very good looking, and I mean, it's based on Unreal Engine 5, and you can see...
Yeah, obviously that is highly demanding running through a cornfield, which
with
probably
AA and textures and field of view and all of that stuff,
So, let's come to a finale.
Yes.
So, Muf, you've tried out 3 different titles. You have no clue as to what the specs of this PC is. So, based, off those titles, what do you think? You can obviously give a Intel or AMD equivalent for GPU and CPU.
Yeah, I'm going to give the Intel and NVIDIA names because for AMD and their numbers, I have absolutely no idea what they're doing.
Fair.
7 and 9 and whatever. For Intel, for the CPU, I'm going with an Intel Core i7.
Okay.
13 gen or 14 gen, but i7.
Okay.
The mid-range i7, whatever it is. And for this GPU, I will go with the 4070 or 4070 Ti. Sort of mid-range, sort of higher mid-range based on the FPS and performance at 2K.
Okay, so drum roll, folks. It is an AMD Ryzen 7 8700G processor.
Okay.
Which is equivalent of basically a i5, i7 13th gen.
Okay.
So you've actually rated it higher than what it actually is. So for the GPU, it's got an RX 7600, which is an equivalent of a 4060.
Oh.
So yeah, good in that.
Very good in that. Yeah.
Not bad. Yeah. So what do you guys think? How much do you think this PC is priced? Because we don't know. And let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, interact with the channel. If you like this kind of content, this is something new that we're trying out, let us know in the comments, and we'll see you on the next video. Sam, this is Muf. Bye-bye.